Hi guys, today I have a really special recipe for you all, and this one is for a Barfi Kurma. Now I took the Barfi and the Kurma and I made it into one recipe. So for those of you who would prefer to eat one, here is a perfect recipe for you. So to my bowl I have flour. I'm going in with some dairy milk and some pumpkin spice. The recipe for the pumpkin spice can be found on my channel. I'm also going in with some elychee or cardamom powder. Next you want to mix to combine. Go in with some butter and you're going to mix that butter in there until it resembles fine breadcrumbs. Next I'm going to go in with some fresh ginger. Now you can use as much or as little ginger in this recipe as you would like. Mix that in. And then we're going to add enough condensed milk to bring this together. Now I use the entire tin. You want a really soft mixture because if you were to put less condensed milk you would get a really dry and stiff kurma. So you see the outcome of it. This is the consistency you would want. If it's softer than this, that's okay too. Next we're going to pour this into our lined baking pan. Make sure and grease both the baking pan to get that paper to stick to it, and also grease the paper. Next you're going to press this out in the bottom of your baking pan, and you can grease your fingers lightly with some butter, some oil or some ghee. Once you've pressed that out, it goes into your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 minutes. Now for the Barfi portion. So to my milk I'm going in with some elychee, some ghee, some fresh ginger and some Nestle table cream or media cream. You want to mix these ingredients to combine, and we're going to mix it until all of those ingredients we added gets dry in the milk. When the crust is finished baking, set it aside and allow it to cool down. Now let's continue with the Barfi. So to a bowl, you're going to put a sieve over it and pass that dried milk mixture through the sieve. Continue doing this until you've done this for the entire mixture. Next, let's work on the pack that will bring this together. So to a pot of water, I'm going in with some granulated sugar. And I'm going to place this on my stove and allow it to boil for about 10 minutes until that syrup is nice and sticky and all of the crystals have dissolved. Add your sugar syrup to your milk mixture a little at a time, mixing until it comes together and it holds together. You don't want it to be too dry and you don't want it to be too soft. Look at my consistency. Once it can hold together, that's when you'll know it's ready. Next, take your mixture and pour it onto your crust. And all you have to do now is spread this out evenly on the crust and decorate with your thousands or your sprinkles. Or you could even try using some chocolate sprinkles if you wanted to switch things up a bit. Once it sets, remove it from the pan and you have to cut it into strips, and then we'll cut this into squares. Once it's cut into squares, it will be really easy to peel the backing or that paper off. So just be careful when you're cutting them up because you don't want to press too hard on the Barfi to break it. So go ahead and cut them into strips, and then you would cut them into smaller individual squares. And that's it. Your Kurma Barfi or Barfi Kurma is ready. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really different Diwali sweet recipe. If you make it, let me know down below if you like it. If you have any questions or you need help with this recipe, please feel free to message or comment down below or send me an email at natashaskitchen19@gmail.com. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to like and share this video. If you're new to my channel and you like what you see, I hope you subscribe. Thank you again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!